So if you've got more brake dust on one wheel compared to the other side, you may have a problem. Or also, if your steering is pulling to one side when you let go of the steering wheel, this could also mean that your brake caliper or brake pads are seizing up. So what you want to do is jack up the wheel and give it a spin and see if it spins freely. In this case, it's not spinning too freely. So we're going to take off the wheel and find out what's wrong. Now the first thing I noticed that the brake disc looks rather orange, which means it's been binding. Let's have a closer look. As you can see, it looks rather orange, and you cannot turn the wheel. The brake pads look okay on this side, and on this side they look okay. So we're going to check the caliper sliders to see if they're sticking. So I'm going to find out if the piston is seized and try and push it back. And before you do that, remember to release the cap of your brake fluid reservoir. To do this, I'm going to need a block of wood and a clamp. Put the block of wood in front of the piston and wind the clamp, and the piston should slowly go back. Now I'm putting tremendous force on this and it's not moving. That gives me a great sign that it's seized. If I were to put new shoes and discs on this, I'll be in great trouble because I can't wind it back. Thanks for watching. I'm going to need to buy a new caliper.